India's first space-based mission to study the Sun, Aditya L1 spacecraft successfully underwent the fourth Earthbound maneuver early morning today. The fourth and last meeting of the G20 Sustainable Finance Working Group SFWG successfully concluded in Varanasi yesterday with the finalization of the 2023 G20 Sustainable Finance Report. Haryana Congress MLA Maman Khan was arrested yesterday for his alleged involvement in the communal violence that erupted in Nuh in August. In Kerala, the Kozhikode District Administration has declared holiday for all educational institutions for tomorrow also. Indian Meteorological Department has forecast active monsoon conditions over East India today and over Central India till 17th of September. West India will have rainfall activity till Monday.